Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Friday. Hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. Markets overnight. Rose up, pulled back. CES 6982 to 7007, so 25 points in range. NQ 704 up to 873, 169 points in range. Nose is itching, sorry. Kappa, big fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't do anything about it. It's about 340 ticks in range. Ultra Bond also falling, making a new low since I moved these yellow lines. Still only about half a point in range. Gold hanging right above 46. About 31 points in range. A small range on gold from what we've been seeing normal overnight. Crude oil just under 60. Looks like about 117 ticks in range. Bitcoin's trying to hang on to 95K. That's where we sit standing, whatever body posture you're choosing to take today. ATR sitting at 7, which is pretty healthy on the 1 minute for this time of day. Trying to bounce here on NQ. Hey, Crypticon, how you doing? Just survived that snowstorm yesterday. What the heck is going on with my phone? Sorry about that, guys. No idea why there's an alarm set for 7. Oh, well, I'm still not sure why there's an alarm set for 7. And then actually I hit snooze on it. Now I'm not seeing anything I'm interested in. Okay. I guess you were. I wasn't sure if Chicago's getting any of that lake effect stuff or not. I guess that was on the other side of the Great Lake. How's things going with the account, Crypt? Why? What's going on? Is the account still alive or not? Well, other people aren't psychics, so by thinking that Crypt, you're just constantly you're uh, defeating yourself. Not the word I was looking for, but sabotaging yourself. No, they're not. Crypt, I'm not a psychic and I'm having success. I have no doubt that I'm going to get payouts real soon. I mean, you're just sabotaging yourself. And Q's still coming down. Gold trickling down, but in an absolutely ugly fashion. What's going on with my phone? Seriously, I've hit dismiss. What the hell? Hey JC, how you doing? I'm doing good. Oh, and that is a good point, Crypt. That's true. Uh, I mean, that's a mindset thing. It's something you have to work through. Like I said, I would not have made the offer to you that I did if I didn't think you had the skills to do this. I would not just continue offering accounts and trying to string you along if I didn't think you had the ability. If I didn't think you had the ability, I would be honest with you and say, Crypt, maybe it's time that, maybe you take a break from this journey or look for something else or something like that. I'm not the type of person that's going to try and give someone false hopes if I don't believe it's possible. But, I mean, to figure out how to change your mindset is one of the hardest things. And that one I don't have an answer to. I understand. I totally get what you're saying, and it was a very good point. But the opportunity that trading presents is totally different from anything else out there. It's the only thing where you truly have no boss. Because even if you own a business where you're selling something or you have a service or whatever, you're still committed to the customers or your contractors or whatever. Trading's the only thing where it's just you. And that can be a blessing or a curse or both at the same time. Because it's a blessing because you have no one to answer to. But in the same token, just like you said, there's no fallback either. So I think you need to, work on changing that mindset that right now you see that what you just typed there as a negative. You need to try and reframe that in your mind that you have no one looking over your shoulder, no one that you're accountable to besides yourself, and that you don't have to worry about being fired from this job. You don't have to worry about, you know, hitting someone else's targets. It's you versus you. And that could be a powerful thing if you can frame that in your mind as a positive. Hey, Ron. But you also got to get all the other crap out of your mind, Crypticon, and I'm serious about it. About needing psychics or fortune tellers or everything like that. It's just not true. There's lots of successful traders out there. And honestly, if they were psychics, and if psychics were real, they wouldn't need to trade. They would just get themselves a winning lottery ticket. But uh, you need to reframe trading in your mind. I will also say, and this affected me, trading from where you feel you need the money is a lot harder too, because you're putting pressure on yourself. Just why they say, don't, for those that have jobs, don't quit them until you have a certain amount of money in the bank and all that. And you're showing yourself that you can be consistently successful over quite a long period of time. Big dump on gold there. That was quick. But so you have that extra stress of feeling you need to make this money now, which is why one of the reasons you oversize. Not sure what caused that huge dump on gold there. And the other thing to remember, Crypticon, to maybe, oops, I'm sorry, I didn't realize I had a thing up there on the screen. Apologize for that. The other thing, Crypticon, is you've done something I haven't. You've taken a payout. You've taken multiple payouts. You've proved you can get the payout. You just need to change your mindset to where once you take payouts, you keep the account. Maybe take smaller payouts, whatever, and work on building where even if you have a series of bad trades, it's not going to cost you the account. And maybe you also need to learn when to walk away for the day if you're having a bad day. Maybe after, since we're sizing down now, my rules no more than 2 contracts. Like I said, I prefer if you use one. If you lose 2 trades in a row, maybe you walk away, or 3 trades, whatever, whatever that number is, so things don't spiral. Because it's very, very easy to spiral in trading. You that's Some of the best traders are only right 50% of the time. It's not the market's not going to always do what you expect it to do. You just need the proper risk management if when it doesn't work.
Connection lost.
Hey RJ, I've seen a huge snowstorms coming across the whole like part of the continent. Is that because you expect to be buried in snow, RJ, or you going to do something? Crypticon. The market is not a person. It's not a sentient being. It's a series. It's literally thousands to millions of traders all doing different things, and you can't. Again, that's another. If that's your thoughts, that's really your thoughts. You need to clear that out as well. The market is nothing against anyone. It is just a series of buys and sells from lots of different entities that are deciding where, that decides where the market goes. It's not out to get you. We sometimes kid that it feels that way. I understand that. But, and I'll call the market a jerk at times. Well, I was a jerk. But, you can't, you got to change your mindset. If you want to be a consistent trader, Crypt, it's not your entries and exits that are getting you. It is 100% your mindset. Oops, what did I do there? Yeah, I do. Although I'm about to check a trade on gold, and I still don't have my funded futures loaded on gold. So there, it's just on just on the apexes. So we're long gold here, micro gold, with 45.99 the target. Crypt, I feel like your mindset is honestly, you need to take the weekend off. It's a holiday weekend anyway. Whoa, and Q just popped nicely. In my opinion, you need to take the weekend off, get away from the screens. I don't know if you have anything planned for the weekend or not, but spend some time with your family or whatever. Give your mind a break and try and come back fresh on Tuesday. What are you trading right now, Kreft? What asset? Dow with a nice pop. I thought you just said you were in a trade. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I miss how you were just talking about in general. Okay. I thought you meant you were in a trade now. I apologize. Okay, I got you. And right here, I mean, this trade I'm in right now has gone up since my entry. It's gone up as much as uh, 30 ticks. It's back down close to my entry now. It's just bobbing and weaving. Now it's actually a red trade. I mean, I could get all upset in that at the market too, but looks like it's going to come down and hit my stop.
Stop fill.
Yep, stopped out. Well, dude, I mean, if you have other options and you want to explore other options, maybe you should do that. I mean, right now, honestly, your mindset is toxic and it's not going to allow you success. So there, I got stopped out, and you can see it's coming right back up, and that's just the way things happen. I could be mad at myself because, well, hold on, maybe I should have. No, well, no, it's went right down to the bottom tick and then went back up. Just that's just what happens sometimes. There's no way you're going to be a success with this mindset that you have right now. You're gonna end up just continuing to get more and more angry. And Q decided it was the one that I should have taken. See, look at this. I mean, it stopped me out, and then it's right back up. And actually, let's try it. We're gonna take another trade.
Order submitted.
Again, we're gonna shoot for. This time we'll shoot for 58. As of right now, I got in at the very high. Let's see. See you, Crypt. Have a great weekend. Try to breathe some. Hey, John. How are you? Oh, John and RJ, did you see the Kyle Tucker news? And there we go. My targets hit. Was not enough to make up for the loss, but at least I got some back. Oh, wow. That's interesting, Paul. Thank you, Jay. Nice to see you. Missed you yesterday. Kyle Tucker to the Dodgers, 4 years, $240 million, $60 million a year. I'm glad to hear that, Jay. It's interesting, that this is happening, Paul. It feels almost like manipulation to manipulate the price. There was a blue candle there on gold. Not re-entering. Let's see what it does. Looks like today could be another confusing day. Really? Hey, JJR, how are you? That blue candle working here. Every blue candle's working for the weekend. Reminder, we will not be streaming on Monday. Okay, FYI, just added to today's docket, 10 a.m. Eastern, Trump speaking. Wow, that sucks. Good morning, Rav. Just gonna say Rav if that's okay. And Q comes back down, gold comes back down. I agree, RJ. I really do. And I believe the more the Dodgers do this, the more likely we're likely to see 2027 to be just washed out. There's gold creeping back up. Watching NQ also trying to move up. Nice pop there on gold. So go back above 4,600. Ouch. And Q's struggling with the 100 EMA right now as it tries to move back up. Watching and waiting now. Still about 12 minutes to the top of the hour. Where are we going to go? I don't know where we're going. I only know where we've been. Trump will host a roundtable to discuss his great health care plan and make a major announcement for rural America. I think that's what's coming up at 10 o'clock. See, gold pulls back as it closed in on that 100 EMA. Everybody got quiet. Be very, very quiet. Big rabbits. Like we slowed down here, and our ATR is down to 6.5 on the 1 minute chart on NQ. Gold still at a 6.6 ATR on the 5. Not much going on right now. Gold trying to push back up toward that 100 EMA. I believe the market closes at either noon or 1 on Monday. I think it was probably 1 at noon my time. Absolutely nothing going on right now. Does touch, there just about touches that 100 EMA on gold. Meanwhile, NQ is completely sideways. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's real easy to trade right now, even for small scalps. He should be here shortly. Didn't even really get a top of the hour pop or drop. A little bit of a drop, I guess, but still. All right, guys, I'm going to grab a quick nap. Let me know when the market starts actually doing something. Thanks, GJR. Appreciate that. I think he's trying to push up, kind of, sort of here. Good morning, trades by. There's that cue with a little pop. Gold pop at 2, got through its 100 EMA. Still kind of boring though. Have a great weekend, JC. We'll see you on Tuesday. Morning, Ace.
Hey everyone, it's time
Find your ace.
to
It's
gore
Friday.
the
It's
like
a
button.
Friday before a holiday weekend, so no pressure. But if you're red today, you're going to be thinking about it for over 72 hours. We do have news coming up in a couple of minutes. U.S. industrial production. I was getting some supplements out of a bottle, Ace. Yeah, the one's pretty big. It's L-arginine and L-citrulline. They increase nitric oxide in the blood. I research all my stuff. Excellent work, JJR. I've spent almost as much time researching supplements as I have back testing the markets. Uh, the top five: um, creatine, magnesium glycinate, vitamin K2, vitamin D3. Give me a sec. Uh, if I had to pick a fifth one, I would say nattokinase. Natto mayonnaise. Hold on, I'll type it. Fun fact, some, very few, but some municipalities add magnesium to the water supply. Low dose, very low dose. And in those areas, the rate of heart attack falls significantly. I hope it does backfire, Paul. 12 minutes to the bell. That's there's different forms of magnesium. The one that's used as a laxative is magnesium citrate. Yes, you use magnesium citrate, you'll be sitting in the bathroom. Candy corn's disgusting. No, but I mean, I know you were joking, Paul, but I did want to, because there's like 10 forms of magnesium, and people can get the wrong ones. Like magnesium oxide is what people often go for because it's cheapest, but it's garbage. The body doesn't process it well, so you're just wasting your money. So slow grind up here on NQ, up to 843. Overnight high 873. Oh, there's a pop. Wow. Up to 855. Yeah, that's true. Now the two I just took, Ace, increased nitric oxide in the body. You might actually would find use for them before your runs. You might find that you get winded less easily and have actually even more stamina on your runs. Snowy day here in Decatur, Illinois. Someone on the Discord just reminded us today's options expiration day as well. So that could also cause the market to do some wonky stuff. It's a good idea, Paul. Oh, quick whip down there on NQ. Whoosh. That's a whoosh. I tell you, right now the Dow looks ugly. And it'll bounce right back up. So what do we think at the bell today, guys? Up or down? Kind of want to start doing a contest each day for people to predict what the first 5 minute candle, how it would close, up or down. But I don't know details of it yet. But it's swirling around in my mind. Ooh, pop.
2 minutes till the
We
bell.
just hit a new high a day here. 3 what time frame candles? 1 minute, 5 minute, hourly. Well, the Dow just friggin' exploded. And Q pulls back some. Yeah, nice pop by Bitcoin. And Q heading up. So our high of yesterday, I think Q was 952, so still a ways away from that. And down we come. Hey, USC. I'm shocked and appalled that you do not schedule your life around my live streams. Oh, down we come. What a weird 5-minute candle there on NQ now. Big bounce right back up. If I'd been playing the 1 minute, it would have given me 2 good colored candles. Dow gives back almost its entire candle. Gold tries to pop. Keeps trying and getting smacked back down up to get to 900. I think it has the potential. RSI says it does. But it's not going easily. We got a blue candle for the first 5 minutes of, gold. Burping up sardines, sorry. I didn't take it because of how huge it was and all that, but it looks like it would be working. Another try on NQ. Yeah, gold worked nicely. Shouldn't have doubted it. And down comes NQ. Down comes NQ. Not really seeing anything I like. Dow coming back down. So down we come. Hey Sid, how you doing? Happy New Year. Keep it busy, busy, busy. Have you traded at all yet this year, Sid? If so, how's it going? And what's your thoughts on silver if you have time? All right, Ace. Big fall here now in NQ. So got momentum to the downside. I just Sid, I asked if you've done any trading yet this year, and then I also asked what your thoughts were on this explosion we've seen in silver. Oh, okay. I see your answer about the trading. Nice on the trading. Yeah. What's your thoughts on this explosion in silver? I mean, obviously it's pulled back a little bit now, but darn, Ace, you really need to get a runner. I have a new AI video for when you get a runner. Oh, wow. Speaking of gold, it's popping here. uh, very nice pop here on gold. Have a good one, RJ. Enjoy your week off. We'll see you at the end of January. AQ's still falling now. Not afraid of falling. Sorry. MR, there you are. We missed you yesterday. NQ still trying to figure this out. Well, Teo, the only issue with that is it's your job to fix the clock. Thank you, Sid. Have a great weekend. And Trump's about to speak in a few minutes. Still falling here on NQ, but just a free fall now. Free fall, and we've fallen about 110 points. Oh yeah, good point. I forgot about that one. So I could have taken that purple candle. I didn't because it was in the brown, but obviously it worked. On the 1 minute chart, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 straight red candles.
Hey everyone! It's time to gore the like button.
A little bounce up here. Nope, just got beaten back down. Now right back up. And back down. Right down.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Still, I mean, this is just this 5 minute candle's down 51 points. The previous one 35. Just a big sell off here before the holiday weekend. Housing market index came in at 37. The forecast was 40. FYI, I have no idea what those numbers mean. I've never really looked up that report. And Q's low is 704. Did we get down there? We did not. We got really close, showing a possible bounce on the 1. 5 is also looking kind of interesting. Not quite yet.
Order filled.
There's the bounce.
Order filled.
And Q giving me a green candle on the 5. Oof, but big pullback there. Hit the 9 on the 1. Green candle does not look so good on the 5 anymore. Yep, actually went away now on the 5. Those 9 EMAs can be something. Something.
Order filled. Order submitted.
There we go. Gotta run. I gotta move now. Struggling with 750.
Order filled. Order filled.
So I took a 13-point trade on NQ there. I probably didn't see it because I probably have MNQ up, don't I? Yeah. Oh, well, no. Wait. Did that not go with the? Apparently, I don't know. Hold on. Give me a moment. Please hold for the next available operator. That's why. Still don't see it. What the heck? Oh, because I've adding. Okay. There was my trade. Could have stayed in it for more, obviously. So now I'm up about anywhere between 210 and 230 on 4 my funded features evals, and up 172 on 1 Apex funded. You okay, Teo? Apex back to 80% off right again. This wait, no, that's confusing. Apex just sent out a email and it says it expires yesterday. Give me a minute. Well, NQ just kind of chops here. Okay, it has been extended to the 22nd. I just let Mark Skelton know that the email says expired. It's expired. It's extended till the 22nd. I mean, Bull and Ox will extend too. Q's kind of hemming and hawing now, kind of slowed down. No headlines coming out from Trump. I see. Nope, nothing. Yeah, but Paul, honestly, yeah, they do need a sale because people expect 80% from Apex, and then Apex makes the money on on the PA fees, and also you got to remember if you buy 10 accounts or 20 accounts from Apex, Apex only pays one data fee to Rhythmic or Tradovate. So that's why there's a big emphasis on people trading multiple accounts. Because if you buy 20 accounts, they only pay for one data fee, which is like, I don't know. I'm not sure how much the data fees are. I want to say somewhere between 30 and $50. I've seen numbers as high as 30%, I think it was. But remember, Apex evals can be YOLO'd, so. And there's some people that will buy 10 and go long with 5 and short with 5 and to pass that way, etc. So the numbers are skewed. Let me put it this way: anyone that I've ever seen publish their numbers, Apex had the highest. So yeah, Ace, did you take a trade on TPT today? You see that pop that AQ tried to do did not last long. Alrighty, Ace. Yep, we have entered the chop zone. Tradify, the 30% off. Tradify is always 30% off, so I don't know. I mean, if they, let me put it this way. If there's no active Tradify sale right now, it'd be the first time ever. So, I mean, maybe that Tradify, I mean, maybe that Nightbot is wrong, but I've never seen them not have a 30%, at least 30% sale going. Let me go look at their Discord. Active promotion, sale extended. There we go. Until January 31st. Wow, just a dead drop there. It was a purple candle on the 5 that was close to the 9. I got us to start taking those, and I'm probably going to work on setting up the bot over the weekend. Just try and take those, see how that goes. Thanks, Jay. I mean, the thought is that they could take it away at any time, but I mean, same with Apex. I mean, Apex has never been less than 50%. You know, if their sale ends, then it's 50%. I mean, I agree with you, MR, but obviously it's all a mental game. I mean, it's not just the trading world that does it. I mean, just look at how Black Friday is now. It's no longer Black Friday's one day. It's the entire month is early Black Friday sales. There's no special events hardly anymore. It just kind of sucks.
Order filled.
Trying to pop here, but struggling.
Target filled.
Just took a trade on just Tradeify on it was not a regular setup. I have a Tradeify eval needs to either be passed or canceled today, so I'm taking extra risk on it. But now I got an NQ popping here. This is a 40.5-minute candle, so I'm gonna go over to micros, and we're gonna play with that there on some funded accounts. Let's see, 40 points, $80, right? Yeah. Now it's 50. Now it's 50 points. So we're just gonna play with 2 micros. It is a blue candle. Big fall in gold. Wow.
Order filled.
Wait, what account am I on? Why is it not showing it? Oh, did I only take it on? I screwed up. Oh, okay. Looks like it's gonna lose anyway, so if it's good I screwed up. Yeah, matter of fact, it already stopped out. No, it didn't. I'm sorry. No, it did not. Oh, wow, that immediately came back down 40 points. So yeah, this trade's not working well. It's just on an apex eval. 2 micros. Yikes. Look at that fall. Stop is right below the low of that last red candle. So it's going to be a pretty significant loss here, over $200 if it hits. But that's okay. 45 points down on that 1-minute candle. Well, RJ just said he's taking off for the next week. So I don't know if he'll Sunday he won't. He's a big football guy, and there's football playoffs on Sundays. So until after the Super Bowl, or that week between the last playoff and the Super Bowl, RJ's not going to be available on a Sunday. Apex just resent the email. No, he's a big football fan. He's a big baseball fan too, for that matter. It's pretty much all sports. So I haven't seen him talk about basketball much. Really glad I didn't take this trade on funded accounts. This did not work out at all. Not at all.
Stop bell.
Stopped out. Red, green, or somewhere in between today, guys. Dollar popped huge apparently on the news about Hassett. Gold in a dead drop. Dow's down. Everything's sad right now. Ultra bond heading up nicely. Euro's down. Silver's down. Bitcoin's down. So it looks like today's going to be a down day, guys. Now gold's trying to bounce. The gold bounce got beaten. Relentless selling on NQ. That gold's interesting to me now. Let's see how it finishes. Remember, it ain't how you start, it's how you finish. Not quite the candle I like.
Order submitted.
So we're going to try it. We're long. On gold, micro gold, 2 contracts with a huge target. Target's at 9 EMA, which is sitting up around 75. No ruling on tariffs. Not sure when the next SCOTUS decision day is. Oh crap! I screwed up. I am into this. I thought I didn't do this on a funded account. I did this on a funded account, on all my funded accounts. All right, we're closing that trade for looks like 48 ticks. We just got green on like 12 funded accounts. And I'm glad I got out where I did because it's giving back. Wow. Yeah, I got out at the right time. I'm glad I just spooked myself.
Order filled.
I agree. Jay, I agree.
Order filled.
Okay, sorry, this took a long that you did not see on that Tradify eval that I said I need to either pass or cancel. Took 3 contracts on gold. Nailed a huge trade, 51.5 to 56.3. And I'm now up on that account of today, 21.95, and I need less than $1,000 to pass. Although I should have stayed in. If I'd stayed in, I bet you I would have be passing that account now. See a possible bounce on NQ here. Yeah, I would have passed that account had I stayed in. But I'll get another trade or two today, I'm sure. Wow, look at gold go. So I should have had the confidence in just let it run. Thought we were getting a bounce with NQ, but doesn't look like it. And gold just nice move back up. Meanwhile, NQ still no bounce. Trump, I may put a tariff on countries that don't go along with Greenland. See that? My plan on these trades is to try and get to the 9 EMA. And you can see it looks like I said my original target when I took that first trade on gold was 75. And then realized I was in with all my funded accounts and got scared. If I had stayed in with all my funded accounts with 2 micros, we would be up like $1,000 just on 2 micros. This one's a valid one, I believe, MR.
Order filled.
Long 3 MNQ on 1 account. we're going for a big win here, if we can get it. I'm in at 623. I have my target at 665, so looking for 43 points. Don't know if we'll get it. Obviously, this is very against trend. There's also on that eval I need to pass today, so I may double down if it gets back into the green. Eval, if there's an apex eval, I need to pass today too. I should specify that. So if we get back up to it's like 629, I'll add 3 more micros. What time is it? We have 10 minutes to go.
Order filled.
There we go. Now we're in with 6 micros. And it rejects down. Comes back up.
Order filled.
And we add 3 more micros. Now in with 9 micros at a average of 25, 678, 75. Huge stop. 9 plus 28, 37 point stop. 43 point target. I don't usually DCA, but I feel I'm right on this. And I'm probably wrong, but let's see if it goes. Back in the green. $90 on this candle. Our target, our 9 EMA has come down to 666. So my target's sitting on 665. Hit 640. Come on, baby. There we go. Now we're getting a push. One minute's getting overextended, though. Kind of sucks. There we go. Come on. Taking it off. So we ended up with 30 points. Beautiful trade there. I even impressed myself. I guess the average was, well, yeah, the average was 624. And I'm green on every account I've traded today now. Thank you, Teo. Nice work, Paul. Oh, wait, gold did get up to that 9 EMA. It would have gotten my original target, which would have been like 24 points. So if I had taken those two micro, if I hadn't scared myself and just held in with those two micros for 24 points, I guess I've been $480, if I'm right. One micro, 24 points. Wait, yeah, because 1 point on is that right? Now I'm confused. Now I'm confusing myself. Yeah, because it's $100 a point, so $10 a point. Yeah, so it'd been $480. Have a great weekend, Ace. We'll see you on Tuesday. All right, guys, I want to thank everyone for joining me this week. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Try and relax a little bit. No need to look at the charts on Monday. Although I'll be looking at the charts on Monday, I won't lie. We will see you Tuesday, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.